Alright guys, check this out. I have this Nutristore freeze-dried raspberries. So, if you guys don't know, freeze-dried fruits is pretty common. You can get those at certain stores. And they use it in cereals and stuff like that. It is very tasty and crunchy, and it retains lots of its nutrition. So, but here's the back if you guys want to read this. There you go. This will last 25 years if you don't open it. So that's also another reason why freeze drying is actually pretty popular. So we're gonna open this up and do a quick taste test. And this can is huge, by the way, if you guys are wondering. It's 200 grams, but look at the size of the can. It's almost like a paint can. So, all right, let's open this up. All right, guys, here it is. The can is really hard to open, but once you do get it, it is really cool. So check this out. These are freeze-dried raspberries. You'll see these in like cereals and stuff. And let's do a quick taste test. Like, that is so good. You can eat these like all day. It tastes like real raspberries, but just dried. So definitely check it out, guys. If you have any questions, comments, post below, subscribe to the channel.